Hello, welcome again. We are studying material science through previous year objective questions asked in PSU. Question number 60 is the most effective inhibitor of grain growth when added in small quantities is option A carbon, option B vanadium, option C manganese, option D cobalt, and option E open. So answer is vanadium, the most effective inhibitor of grain growth when added in small quantity is vanadium. Inhibitor means restrict, grain growth. So vanadium restrict grain growth. So first of all, what is grain growth and why we have to restrict the grain growth? So explanation is grain growth refers to increase in average grain size on further annealing. After all the cold word material has crystallized. Okay. As a reduction in grain boundary area per unit volume of material occurs during grain growth, so as grain will increase its boundary, some grain will get attached, so their boundary or boundary area will decrease because with the grain increasing in size, some grain will touch each other, so boundary will become lesser. Okay. So as a reduction in grain boundary area per unit volume of material occurs during grain growth, there is decrease in free energy of the material. Okay. In practical applications, grain growth is usually not desirable due to low binding energy, which results in low tensile strength. So with the grain growth, or we get low tensile strength because after milling, the grain growth takes place, material becomes soft and has low tensile strength. Okay, so that generally is not desired. So elements Al aluminum and B titanium and V in small quantity from 0.08 to 0.1% are important factors in inhibiting grain growth at the austenizing temperature. This is because these elements are present as highly dispersed carbide, nitride, or carbonitride. Aluminum only as nitride, and that a high temperature is required to make them go into solution. So vanadium restrict grain growth at austenizing temperature. Okay, so answer is option B. Okay, the elements, again reading this, the the elements Al and B, Ni and V in small quantity from 0.08 to 0.1% are important factor in inhibiting grain growth at austenite temperature. This is because these elements are present as highly dispersed carbide or nitride or carbonitride. Aluminum has only as nitride, and that at high temperature required to make them a solution. They are not solution. They do not make solution the uh, the with the iron. Okay, so they are present as carbon different component as carbide or nitride. Okay, so that's why the grain, they restrict the grain growth. So answer is option B.